Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be using some eco-friendly lawn paint to brush up my lawn here. You can see it's a lot of dead green started growing in. I'm in California. We've got a water drought, so we're told to use less water. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be painting this with some eco-friendly grass paint. First I'm going to rake up all these magnolia leaves that get dropped onto the lawn here, and let me show you the paint that I'm going to use. So let's take you over here, and this is I did some research. I saw that the Lawn Star does a pretty good job of based on the reviews, and I got a gallon pump sprayer, so I'm going to be spraying the lawn, and hopefully we'll get some good results. I'll take you through each of the steps that I go through as I paint the lawn. So this is the before, hang tight. We'll get to the next step. All right, so I got the blower set up here. I'm just gonna hook it up, blow all the small debris off the grass before we get to the point where we want to paint it. All right, so let's go. So the blower's not working great, so what I'm doing is I'm just raking up piles of the leaves here so that I can pick them up, or dead grass, before doing the paint. And that's where we are now. So I'll be back in just a sec. All right, there we go. I put the mixture in. It was 10 ounces and the remainder to a gallon. So I've got my sprayer all filled up. I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying the grass. Hang on just a second, check it out. You can see I kind of made a little bit of a mess, so use caution when working with it. There's a little bit of splash. All right, so let me show you the lawn. All right, so now let's get the grass. So you can see there, I've got the cardboard set up so that, oh yikes, so that we don't get any splash on concrete, or we don't want any. There we go. Nice, and we're gonna do the rest of the lawn and show update once we've got more progress. All right, so here we are a couple hours later. You can see I've applied the lawn paint, so it's could potentially use another coat, but it looks good overall. For a reference, if I go here right into the edge, you see that brown. That's the color it used to be. Now look at the color it is now. So it fits very well. Looks much better. All right, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, leave some comments with your experience. Thanks, bye.